The day has come. It's time to take her out on her first cruise night with the fellas. Do people still say that? I don't know. I've been shaking her down all week, but Saturday is here and it's time to roll. Some of the first things you might notice is she's got a new look. That's right, I put a 95 4Runner bumper on it. I did the swap from the old bumper I had. As you remember, it was pretty beat up. Down in that corner, remember I ran something over? I have not color matched it yet. I haven't done anything because the truck is probably not going to stay this color. So for right now, guess what's back? The tint and a new bumper. And well, yeah, the bed's not back on, but she's ready to go. Started a little bit of the body work, pulling those dents out because in 2 years, I still have not been able to find doors. Well, none that are worth the money, you know. Some of the doors I've come across are in worse shape than mine, and people want $100 or $200 for one door, stripped, not even glass or strikers or anything. So I just figured I was going to start pulling the dents out since I had nothing but time, and at least get it ready for a competent body man, so that it'll save me some money when it comes to hours and body work and filler, and if they could even be saved. They were in pretty rough shape, as you guys remember. Matter of fact, I'll walk back over to this side. This was the side that was all caved in. I mean, like, this whole side was hammered. Maybe I can do one of those picture-in-pictures and throw you guys a, what? Yeah, no, it's good. Check it out. We're going for a drive. Now, it's not finished. I mean, I didn't get everything loomed and done like I should. That gas line's kind of just hanging there. But, you know, it's good enough for what it is, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to roll it tonight because, man, I miss cruising with the peeps. So, enough chatter. Let's get after it. What do you say? A couple of good meets tonight. Some good hangs headed your way. Oh, look at this. I just rolled up at the spot, and these guys apparently know what the hell's going on. Check this out. We got this guy who's also named Ben getting down on this truck, getting a little work in. We got this guy. As if that wasn't enough, we'll get to that in a second. We got this guy over here. What's your name again?
Steve.
Let's do this official on camera.
Steve.
Steve's got this bad boy right here. Look at this. I mean, is this not the coolest house or yard? I mean, I'm guessing, Sean, that my viewership's gonna go up tenfold by all the rad shit in this video. That's what I'm thinking.
Royalties?
Yeah, no, don't worry. I'll share all that YouTube money with you. I hear it's tens of dollars. Hey, are you back in your van tomorrow?
Yes.
Nice. What are you working on here?
Four-wheel drive fenders. Just sanding them down to get scuffing them up. Nope, scuffing them up to get them primered.
Really?
Get them primered, we'll throw them on the truck so we can get ready to start.
So I have this confession where I bought all my stuff from Space Age, and that's so long ago, like I forgot what the lady told me on how to even do it.
That's funny.
The Line X is so fat that it hits that. Get out.
Check it out. Decided to swing by this meet to help a homie out with some parts, but I guess his gas tank's leaking. Sorry, Kilo. So I missed you, but you know, check out some rides and catch up with you later.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever to sleep, stay up